Ngayon mga kabakets, pag-uusapan natin ang Minnesota Timberwolves official lineup para sa 2026 to 2027 season. Malaki nga ang kanilang move nitong off-season. Nakuha nila si LaMelo Ball. Ipapares nila ito sa kanilang superstar na si Anthony Edwards. Tara i-breakdown nga natin ang roster ng T-Wolves. Magsisimula tayo sa guards, forwards, centers, tapos potential starting five ng team. So itong mga guards ng T-Wolves, una si Anthony Edwards, ang superstar scoring machine, athletic two-way wing guard, franchise cornerstone ng T-Wolves. Nag-average last season ng 29 points, 5 rebounds at 3 assists. Sumunod, LaMelo Ball, ang bagong star player ng T-Wolves, isang elite playmaker, may size at 6'7", napaka-flashy nito maglaro. Nag-average last season ng 21 points, 5 rebounds at 7 assists per game. Sumunod, Dante DiVincenzo, isa namang 3-and-D specialist, tough defender at shooter. Yun nga lang kasalukuyang injured ito. Pero last season nag-average ito ng 12 points, 4 rebounds at 3 assists. Sumunod, Ayo Dosunmu, isang versatile combo guard. Magaling dumepensa at maasahan sa scoring off the bench. Nag-average last season ng 14 points, 4 rebounds at 3 assists. Sumunod, Bones Hyland, isa pang young gun, backup point guard. Nag-average last season ng 8 points, 2 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Josh Green. Nakuha kasama si LaMelo mula Charlotte. Isang athletic 3-and-D wing. Nag-average last season ng 4 points, 1 rebound at 0.4 assists per game. So ayan ang mga guards, dumako naman tayo sa mga forwards. Unahin natin si Jaden McDaniels. Isang elite defensive wing, versatile at Mr. Do-It-All ng team. Nag-average ito last season ng 15 points, 4 rebounds at 3 assists per game. Sumunod, Terrence Shannon Jr., isang young athletic forward. Nag-average last season ng 5 points, 1 rebound at 1 assist per game. Sumunod, Enrique Freeman, isang hustle player at may potential na maging isang elite two-way player. Nag-average ito last season ng 3 points, 2 rebounds at 1 block per game. Sumunod, Isaiah Evans, ang rookie ng team, 33rd pick overall ng 2026 draft. Sa kanyang college career, nag-average ito ng 15 points, 3 rebounds at 1 assist. Sumunod, isa pang rookie, Trey Kaufman-Renn, 59th pick overall ng 2026 draft. Sa kanyang college career, nag-average ito ng 14 points, 8 rebounds at 2 assists. So ayan ang guards at forwards. Dumako naman tayo sa centers. Unahin na natin si Rudy Gobert, ang Eiffel Tower ng NBA. Isa pa ring elite rim protector, double-double machine. Nag-average last season ng 11 points, 11 rebounds at almost 2 blocks per game. Sumunod, Rocco Zikarski, isa pang 7-footer. Nag-average last season ng 4 points, 1 rebound at 0.8 assists per game. Sumunod sa kanya, Joan Beringer, isa pang batang big man ng T-Wolves. Nag-average last season ng 4 points, 2 rebounds at 0.3 assists per game. Ngayon, ito naman na ang potential starting five ng team. Point guard, LaMelo Ball. Shooting guard, Anthony Edwards. Small forward, Jaden McDaniels. Power forward, Enrique Freeman. At center, Rudy Gobert. Overall, isang napakalakas rin na team nitong T-Wolves. Marami silang pang depensa at exciting ang kanilang young core. I think mananatiling contender ito sa Western Conference. For more NBA content, ilike nyo ng ating video at mag-subscribe na rin sa JB Buckets.